Welcome to the video. In this tutorial we'll build a complete AI chatbot using Google's Gemini API in Flutter, step by step. Make sure to watch till the end to see the full working chatbot in action. So let's get started. Open your browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click to open the website. Once inside, you'll see two options. Use Google AI Studio and build with Gemini API. Click on the second option, Build with Gemini API. Accept the agreement. And then click Create API Key. Now select Create in a new project. In a few seconds, your Gemini API key will be generated. Copy the API key, we'll need it for our app. Now open ChatGPT and type this command. I want to create my own chatbot using Gemini API in Flutter. Press enter, and boom. GPT generates the basic Flutter code for your chatbot. But wait, we already have our API key, so let's give GPT a new command. I already have the Gemini API key. Generate the full working chatbot code using it. Now copy the generated code. Open VS Code, and create a new Flutter project named My AI. If you haven't installed Flutter yet, click the video card on the top right for the full Flutter installation guide. Creating the project takes a little time, so I've increased the video speed to save your time. Now go back to GPT, copy the code step by step, and create new files in VS Code to paste them. Also, make sure to add the recommended dependencies in pubspec.yaml. Once the code is in place, connect your emulator or real device and run the app. The first run usually takes time, so I've again fast-forwarded the video. Now look, our app is running. But we're seeing some errors. Copy the error and send it back to ChatGPT for a solution. GPT generates new corrected code. Copy it, paste it in VS Code, and run the app again. We still get the same error. So let's inform GPT again, tell it the issue persists. Now we'll take the official example from AI Studio, give that to GPT, and ask it to generate working code based on it. Paste the new code in VS Code, and run it once more. And there it is, our chatbot is now working. Due to slow internet, we occasionally get errors, but the response generation is working fine. Still, the UI looks outdated. Let's make it look more modern. Tell GPT. App is looking like a 90s app, make it stylish and add a progress bar while generating response. GPT gives us updated UI code, copy it and paste into VS Code. Restart the app. And now, with the new design, our chatbot looks modern and works great. Again, sometimes the response fails due to slow internet, but overall, the functionality is solid. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you face any error, just drop a comment below. I'll make a video to fix it. And if you want a tutorial on any specific app, comment that too, I'll create it for you. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.